This beautiful material is called Opalite, and in this video I will be chipping a spearhead from it. To get this large chunk to the appropriate shape and thickness that I wanted, I had to break off a lot of pieces. For this, I use a stone and also antlers. This big elk antler is perfect for breaking off pieces and making it thinner fast. Because this is such a beautiful piece of material, I wanted to make sure that I was hitting it in the right areas because I didn't want to break it in half. During this process of breaking these pieces off, I'm thinning it down and also shaping it into a spearhead triangular shape. As it becomes smaller, I have to use smaller tools, and in this case, I'm using a deer antler to break smaller pieces off. At this point in the process of making the spearhead, I'm shaping it, but I'm also removing a lot of smaller pieces to make it thinner. Sometimes I'll hold it in my hand to get better control of where I strike. To make the piece more refined, I use a smaller tool by pressing in and down on the edge and breaking fine flakes off. Now that the body of the spearhead is complete, it's time to give it notches. I make an outline for where the notches will go and then deepen those notches with the same bone tool. It's important to use a narrow tool so I can make the notches thinner and deeper. Now that the notches are complete, it's time to put the final sharp serrations on the edge. I make the serrations by spacing out where I'm pressing in and down on the edge. Check out all the opalite flakes I knocked off in the process of making this. Here is the finished spear point, and I'm really happy that I didn't break it while in the process of making it. This material looks great in the sun,